Hey Transformers, welcome to day 3 of our 7-day Eliminate Stress Challenge. Today I'm gonna show you something a little different. The first couple of days we worked on the mindset, the mental part. Today I'm gonna show you a technique that will help get you a little more relaxed. All right? So when I ask people what do they think can help them get rid of their stress, what do you think they tell me? What's the first thing that comes to their mind? This is the most common answer that I get. It's they need a massage, right? So yes, when you get a massage, you get less stress, you feel good. So that is, we know that. Now, did you guys notice if you have gotten massages before? So they work on like mostly from neck all the way down to your foot, right? Some work on the head part. But there's one area where we carry a lot of stress that they don't usually see people work on. And that is our jaws, right? When people are stressed, a lot of us, including myself, we clench or we grind. So we clench our jaw like that, or some people grind their teeth. You can ask dentists and they will tell you this is a very common problem they see wearing out in the teeth. So, and what happens is when you clench or grind, the muscles on your jaw, they tighten up, kind of like the muscles around the neck, which very commonly gets tight when we're under a lot of stress or when we're under stress all the time. The jaw muscles, they get overused and they get tight. Some of them even have nodules there. Now, what do we do to help release that? We want to do some soft tissue work on your jaws, and it can be as simple as you can use a massager, but for me I just use my knuckles. So I usually use the middle finger and I just bend it like this so it gets a little pointy. And the jaw is, when you open your close the mouth, you'll see the angle there, right? That's where your jaw muscles are, the masseter are there, right? So I just point there, or you can actually just poke around. A lot of times you're gonna feel certain parts of it more tender than the others. Then those are the areas that you want to work on. So you can do both sides at the same time. And for me, I feel like this is where I get more of that spasm and tenderness. And you can just kind of press in, and you can rub it slowly. Don't rub it fast. You can just rub it slowly if you want, but I like doing some pressure point release. So I just press them into that area where it's tender, and I hold it there for how long? Half a minute, a minute. You feel like the pain goes away, the pain kind of melts away. Then you can move on to the next area. All right, it doesn't take a long time because you can cover the area already. Maybe 5 minutes. You can do that a couple of times a day. Once you do those pressure point release on those jaw muscles, you'll have less pain. Those muscles tend to be more relaxed, and overall you actually feel better also. You'll be more relaxed. All right, so when you get a massage, that's good, but massage your own jaws, massage those jaw muscles, work on those soft tissue in that area, so you'll be less stressed and you'll feel more relaxed. All right, so try that. Let me know if you like it. Let me know how you like it, because I know you'll like it, and let me know what you think. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.